Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Sara and welcome back to Learn Urdu with Sara, where I help you have a better understanding of Urdu language. Even if you're learning Hindi, this channel is going to be very beneficial for you because Urdu and Hindi grammar is almost the same. Today we're going to learn the verb karna. Karna is an essential verb in Urdu that means to do. Karna. We're going to conjugate it in 5 different tenses. I made a similar video on the verb hona, which is to be, to become, to happen. We're gonna have the same basic pattern in this video. If you want to watch that video, the link is right here. Cookie is walking in the background. I hope that doesn't distract you. This is Cookie. Hi baby. Acha. Oh. She's in the biting mode right now. She was sleeping for 5 hours, so I think she right now is in a playful mood. Now let's begin our lesson. We're going to conjugate it in 5 different tenses. The first tense is the present simple tense, which is about routine, habits, and personality facts, etc. The second tense is the present continuous tense, which is about the action that is happening right now. The third tense is the future tense, which is something we're going to do in the future. And the fourth tense is the past simple tense, which is an event or action that has happened in the past. The last tense is the past habitual tense, which is the action that you used to do but you don't do anymore. I made free lessons on each of these tense. You can watch this playlist to have a better understanding. Now remember that just like hona, karna is also a verbalizer. That means that we make many verbs by attaching nouns and adjectives with karna. So for example, our first verb is काम करना, right? काम is work and it's used as a noun, whereas karna is to do. काम करना is to do work. काम करना. So let's see the basic foundation, which is मैं हूँ, that is I am. And we're going to put the conjugated verb in between the subject and the verb. So काम करना is conjugated to काम करती. काम करती. मैं काम करती हूँ. मैं काम करती हूँ. I work. मैं काम करती हूँ. मैं हॉस्पिटल में काम करती हूँ. मैं हॉस्पिटल में काम करती हूँ. I work in the hospital. मैं ऑफिस में काम करती हूँ. I work in the office. मैं घर से काम करती हूँ. I work from home. घर से means from home. घर is home. This lesson is for beginners, so I'm trying not to use difficult sentences. If a man is saying it, he will say मैं घर से काम करता हूँ. मैं घर से काम करता हूँ. मैं शहर में काम करता हूँ. मैं बड़ी कंपनी में काम करता हूँ. I work in a big company. मैं बड़ी कंपनी में काम करता हूँ. Another verb we can use is walk करना, which is to walk. There are many verbs for walk करना, which is पैदल चलना, other verbs which are not using karna, and walk करना is quite a common verb in Urdu. मैं walk करती हूँ. मैं हर रोज़ walk करती हूँ. I walk every day. हर रोज़. If you know Persian and Arabic, Urdu is going to be a bit easier for you because we borrow a lot of words from Arabic and Farsi. Rose is one of that word, but the pronunciation is obviously different in Farsi. मैं हर रोज़ walk करता हूँ, which a man is saying it. मैं इतवार को आराम करती हूँ. मैं इतवार को आराम करती हूँ. आराम करना is to relax or rest. मैं इतवार को आराम करती हूँ. इतवार को means on Sunday. On Sunday I rest. मैं इतवार को आराम करती हूँ. मैं पीर को आराम करता हूँ. मैं पीर को आराम करता हूँ. पीर को means on Monday. मैं पीर को आराम करता हूँ. मैं तुमको पसंद करती हूँ. पसंद करना is to like. मैं तुमको पसंद करती हूँ. मैं तुमको पसंद करता हूँ. I like you. तुमको means you. I like you. मैं तुमको पसंद करता हूँ. Now let's conjugate it in a present continuous tense. मैं काम कर रही हूँ. I'm working. मैं काम कर रही हूँ. कर रही हूँ. When you're speaking very fast, you don't have to say it like that. You can just say मैं काम कर रही हूँ. Like that. Very fast. That's how a lot of people say it. They don't really enunciate each word. मैं काम कर रही हूँ. I'm working. मैं आराम कर रही हूँ. मैं आराम कर रहा हूँ. मैं आराम कर रहा हूँ. मैं किचन इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ. मैं किचन इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ. इस्तेमाल करना is to use. मैं किचन इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ. I'm using the kitchen. मैं माइक्रोवेव इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ. I'm using the microwave. मैं ये लैपटॉप इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ. मैं ये लैपटॉप इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ. I'm using this laptop. मैं मोबाइल इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ. I'm using a mobile. A man is saying that. रहा is for men and रही is for female. मैं काम करूँगी. मैं काम करूँगी. I will work. मैं काम करूँगी. ओंगी is the suffix for female and unga is the suffix for men. मैं काम करूँगी. मैं काम करूँगा. I will work. मैं प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करूँगी. शुरू करना is to start or to begin. मैं प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करूँगी. मैं प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करूँगा. I will start the project. आज रात मैं फैसला करूँगी. फैसला करना is to decide. आज रात मैं फैसला करूँगी. आज रात मैं फैसला करूँगा. करूँगा. आज रात मैं फैसला करूँगा. I will decide tonight. मैं आराम करूँगी. मैं आराम करूँगा. I will rest. इस हफ्ते मैं आराम करूँगी. This week I'll rest. इस हफ्ते means this week. इस हफ्ते मैं आराम करूँगी. अगले हफ्ते मैं आराम करूँगा. Next week I will rest. Now the next one is the past simple tense. In the past simple tense, we have to see that if the verb is transitive or if it's an intransitive verb. This one, karna, is a transitive verb. That means it requires a direct object. So for example, if you're doing something, what are you doing? You're doing rest. You're doing work. You're doing the cleaning, etc. So you're doing something. You're eating. If you're eating spaghetti. If you're drinking chai. So it requires a direct object, and the construction is a bit complicated. If you want to understand it better, watch these two videos. So now the verb is going to agree with the object of the sentence. If the object is feminine, masculine, singular, plural, these are the things that the verb will depend on. Verb ending, I mean. So काम is work. Remember that I told you that noun attached with the verb. काम is a noun and karna is to do work. So काम here is the object. You're doing the work. And the word काम is a masculine word. So the verb is going to end with a. मैंने काम करा. मैंने काम किया. It's going to be conjugated in two different ways, kiya and kara. Kara is mostly used in the southern part of Pakistan, because in the northern part, in Punjab region, I've seen that it's not usually very common to say kara. I don't know about India because I've never been to India, but I'll definitely ask some of my Indian friends. So मैंने काम करा. The मैं is going to attach with ne with the transitive verb. मैंने, every single pronoun is going to be attached with a ne. मैंने, ne is like a did, but the specific meaning is not very clear. If you have any idea about it, let me know in the comment section. So मैंने काम किया, मैंने काम करा. मैंने walk की, मैंने walk की. Walk is feminine, although it's an English word. I know it's a bit complicated, but I don't know why it has a feminine gender. मैंने walk की, मैंने walk की. I walked. मैंने call की. Call is again a feminine noun. मैंने call की. मैंने शिकायत की. I complained. मैंने शिकायत की. शिकायत करना is to complain. मैंने दुआ की. I prayed. मैंने दुआ की. Dua is a pray or a wish that you make after pray. So you do like this, and that's how you make a dua. मैंने मज़ा किया. मैंने मज़ा किया. मज़ा is having fun. मज़ा is fun. मैंने मज़ा किया. I did fun. मैंने मज़ा किया. It has an Arabic origin, I feel like. मैंने घर साफ किया. मैंने घर साफ किया. घर is masculine, so it's किया. मैंने घर साफ किया. Now here साफ is clean. So साफ is an adjective, so it doesn't have a gender. So the object is घर. मैंने घर साफ किया. I cleaned the house. The next tense is the past habitual tense, something you used to do in the past. मैं लैब में काम करती थी. मैं लैब में काम करती थी. I used to work in a lab. मैं लैब में काम करती थी. मैं लैब में काम करती थी. I used to work in a lab because I'm a physiologist. मगर अब नहीं करती. I don't do. मैं पहले उससे बात करती थी. मैं पहले means before. मैं पहले उससे means with her. मैं उससे or with him actually. It can be with him as well. मैं उससे बात करता था. मैं उससे बात करता था. I used to talk to her. मैं उससे बात करता था. मैं उससे बात करती थी. Have you learned a lot from this video? I hope you did. If you want to support me, you can support me on patreon.com. If you want to have a private one-on-one lesson, you can reach out to me on these websites. These are the websites I have been teaching on for the last 4 years. These are some amazing websites, and you can find many Urdu teachers on here. I hope you have a lovely day. See you later, and goodbye.